This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cutlery sets, specifically these great Ecolux flatware kits. They come wrapped up with a little bit of paper and secured with twine, and you have a nice thick napkin in there, and you have some different options in terms of what's inside and what it's made of. But in general, these are a great eco-friendly option, whether you're looking for something for your food establishment to put in with takeout orders, to set up on a buffet, say for an event or another catered function. These are a great little option. They're stylish, but also eco-friendly, and they have a nice, natural, kind of neutral look to them, which is fantastic. So the 6.5 inch that I have here comes with your knife, the fork, which is on top, and the spoon. And I'll pull this one up here, and you can see they're layered down in there. So you can see the spoon and the knife are just hidden there inside, folded up in between the napkin. And these are made out of birchwood, making them a great option that is both eco-friendly and disposable. And then we have the 6 3/4 inch length. So I like these kind of for a little more informal because they're a little shorter. So think quick lunches, kind of salads, maybe a brunch or something like that. But if you're doing more of a dinner, something with a little bit more going on, and you want something that looks more like regular dinner flatware, this length is going to give you a little bit more of that feel. These 6 3/4 inch units are made out of bamboo, so also a great eco-friendly option that's still disposable. And you have two sets that you can get. This one has your fork, knife, and spoon. And the second one has just the fork and knife for when you don't really need a spoon, depending on what you're serving. So you can see you have some good choices and options. They're all secured with that paper and twine, giving them that nice little extra touch so that you can put them out as part of a place setting, or you can just stack them up or display them at the end of a buffet. But any way you go with these, they're a great eco-friendly and disposable option. They're fantastic for restaurants and cafes, whether they're going out on a table as part of a table setting or going in a bag as part of a to-go or takeout order. They're also perfect if you're planning parties at home and you're looking for something that'll help make service easy because they're all kind of tied up and ready, right? While also making cleanup easy because they're disposable. So they'd also be fantastic for things if you're stocking flatware for, say, your office break room or different office functions or catered meetings. So these are a fantastic disposable option for flatware kits, whether you're doing events at the home, office, or for a beautiful large-scale catered function.